This video is for my business owners that have employees. I'm going to show you how to get $26,000 per employee in a few days versus the 3 to 6 months that it usually takes people to get this money. Now, this is not a loan, this is not a line of credit, and you do not have to pay this money back. What we're talking about today is the Employee Retention Credit, or ERC, which you will receive from the IRS. Really quick before we jump into that, you guys that have employees, whether you're your only employee or you have a few employees, I have a partnership with ADP, which might save you money and give you some more functionality and benefits for your employees in regards to your payroll services, your taxes, and really just finding out if there is a savings or benefit that you can get. So I want you guys to check out this link in the description for ADP. As you can see, if you have payroll that you do for 1 to 49 employees, they have different benefits they can offer you as far as processing your payroll in 4 steps, calculating your taxes that you would owe and paying it on your behalf, as well as federal, state, and local compliance support. And even if you have 50 plus employees, they do have something for you as well. Some of that is the same payroll services. They have workforce management. They have different benefits that you can offer to your employees to attract some of those higher payoff employees that you really want to get that want benefits. They will help you to make sure that you're being compliant with all of the rules that apply to you and your business in your state. And you always have somebody to talk to get advice or information that you need in regards to dealing with your employees. And I had to mention that they have built-in HR hiring tools, and they can also help you as far as posting on over 100 different websites that help you to find recruits, even ZipRecruiter, and they even have things that can help you as far as creating a handbook for your employees. So look, when you click the link for ADP down below, you'll be able to fill in this quick form, send in your information. Somebody will reach out to you and do a review for you for free and see if they have any services that might benefit your business. So check them out if you have employees or if you need help with taxes or HR services. Okay, now let's get more insight on the Employee Retention Credit. So what it is basically a refundable tax credit for businesses and tax exempt organizations that had employees and were affected during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the requirements are different depending on the time period for which you claim the credit. So the option I'm going to show you to get the credit within a few days versus months is going to help you in clarifying if you qualify or not. But here are a few of the eligibility highlights. So this is really going to apply to those businesses and tax exempt organizations that qualify, and it's going to apply to those that were shut down by government order due to COVID-19 pandemic during 2020 or the first 3 calendar quarters of 2021, or if you experience the required decline in gross receipts during the eligible periods during 2020 or calendar quarters of 2021, or if you qualified as a recovery starter business for the 3rd or 4th quarters of 2021. So those are some general things to look at, but let's look at some more details. Now, first off, let me let you know that there are a lot of people out there promoting this credit, and there are a lot of people that can be a little bit spammy and scammy as far as trying to get you to apply through them in order to get this credit. So I'm giving you guys the most reliable source that I have found to try to help people in obtaining this credit, and they also have the ability to get it to you a little bit faster, or really a lot bit faster than what you would get in a normal situation. Now, that company is called SouthEnd Capital, and basically they were founded in 2019. They are a division of Stearns Bank, so they are actually attached to a financial institution that is worth about $2.2 billion. So I think it's safe to say that they are on a reliable side as far as sources to try to get funding from this particular opportunity. Now look, again, you don't have to qualify based off of credit to get this, and this isn't a grant where you have to like compete in the competition in order to get this money. All you have to do is actually qualify, and you need to find out if you qualify. That's the most important thing. Also, it doesn't matter if you received a PPP loan, this is something that you can still qualify for. Now again, with this process, you can get up to $26,000 per employee. You can get refund access within days versus months. As I mentioned, you can use your refund your way, however you want to use it. You get a tax credit, which is equal to a cash refund. If you got a PPP loan, you are still eligible, and it has a fast application process. Again, the ERC is not a loan. It does not need to be repaid. And by hitting get started, you will get a free tax credit estimate to see if you qualify for this. and there is low documentation, so you don't have to do a whole lot in order to see if you qualify for this and actually apply for this. And there's no cost until you actually receive your refund or if you qualify for a refund. So again, check out the link in the description for SouthEnd Capital. It's in the description, and you can check out their reviews on Trustpilot just to get a little more information about them. But look, if you have employees, this could be a really good thing for you. If you have one employee, of course, that's $26,000 that's possible for you to receive. But if you had at least 5 employees, that's over $100,000. So just think about that and think about how many employees you have and finding out if you actually qualify from this based off what I already mentioned to you from the IRS's website. Then this could be something that could be really beneficial to you and help you to compensate for those costs that you had during the time when your business was really suffering and maybe struggling, and be able to use that same time frame, use this money that you receive from this to actually get yourself in a better position, again, whether you're one employee or several employees in, and get your business to a better place going forward outside of the pandemic. So if you sound like you could benefit from any of this, again, check those links out down in the description. And if you got value from this video, hit the thumbs up so YouTube can know that you liked it, got value from it, and they can show it to more people that might actually need to benefit from this credit. And I'm going to see you guys to the next video.